In this video, we are going to make a bar chart, a pie chart, and a line chart. To make a bar chart, we select the variable we want, Insert, Recommended Charts, click OK, give us a bar chart. You can change the title of the chart. We can also use the stats here to make a pie chart. Insert, pie chart, 2D or 3D pie chart. We can also make a line chart. For example, we use the age as a variable. Insert, 2D lines. As well, you can change the title. And also, you will see that the bottom line shows the number of the person number 1, person number 2, person number 3. The vertical line shows the person's age. Person number 1 is age 18, person number 2 is age 17, person number 3 is age 16. There are more line charts you can do. For example, you can also make a line chart with the markers, which will make it more easy to read. For example, person number 6 is age 19. Person number 10 is age 17. That's it.